To simplify the square root of 20, my first step is to factor the number underneath the radical sign. So in this case, to factor 20. So let's go ahead and do that. To factor 20 into its prime factors, my first step is to create a prime factorization tree. And when I do that, I see that 20 can be broken down into 2 times 10, but 10 isn't prime because 10 can be broken down into 2 times 5. So the prime factors of 20 are 2 times 2 times 5. Now that I have those factors, my next step is to use them to rewrite the expression using those factors. So I can say that the square root of 20 is equal to the square root of the product of its factors. So in this case, 2 times 2 times 5. My next step is to circle the pairs within this particular expression. When I do so, I see that I have a pair of 2's. The 5 is left alone, but I have a pair of 2's, so I'll circle those. My next step is to cross out the pairs and move them outside the radical. So I'm going to cross out those 2's, and I'm going to move it outside the radical. My final step is to multiply the terms outside the radical and inside the radical if necessary. But when I look outside, I have a 2, nothing to multiply. Under the radical, I just have a 5. Again, nothing to multiply. So my answer is simply 2 square root of 5. There's no way to simplify that any further.